Massive recovery in indices coming out from the lows what we have seen earlier day in the day with the news coming in regarding the war and the crisis. US30 where we have seen it dropping towards 37,240 and US100 towards 17,034. Now on the path of recovery, we have seen US100 and US30 both recovering strong. So, can we expect this momentum to continue with the US session as well, or there is a possibility of a reversal? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading Nasdaq and Dow Jones? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the twice a day updates. This is the second update for the day. First update I always release with the Asia and Europe session. Thus, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First Nasdaq followed with Dow Jones. Watch. Now see Nasdaq on the early charts after dropping sharp, it is still in the retracement zone. It is still under rise. We have to now look forward to 17,400 and 17,450 levels. These are going to be two critical levels which Nasdaq has to break. If and only if it breaks beyond 17,450, we can expect that it is trying to reverse. Also, if you look at the hourly charts, look at the formation here. After forming the lows, it tries to move towards the highs of the channel here. And the highs of the channel are also confined at 17,400, 450. And now the support zone is intact at around 17,260. We have to be careful of that as well, because once it breaks, we will look forward to 17,200, and breaking below 17,200 is where sharper fall will be seen. MACD divergent and bullish looking upwards. RSI stochastic both are rising. Coming to 2 on the 2 hour charts, it appears that US100 is aspiring to achieve 17,400, 450 zone, and it might get achieved before it tries to. Thus, you have to be careful here. MACD is trying to converge crossover. RSI stochastic both rising. On the 3 hour charts also, similar observation is seen here. Higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. Now a selling entry I will recommend is only below 17,280, where we can expect it to drop further. And how low it can drop, see we have to wait for 17,240 and 200 levels to be taken. If these three levels are taken, you can say it is turning bearish. MACD trying to converge, RSI and stochastic both rising. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation on the 4 hour chart, see one bullish candle, and the move was almost of 200 points, or you can say 170, 80 points. Now if you count the similar size of candle, you can expect that it is going to move towards 17,400, 450 zone at least, and beyond that there could be a possibility of a stronger rise towards 17,550 as well. MACD trying to converge, RSI and stochastic both rising. Coming to daily, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, do not miss to join my 31st mentorship batch starting first week of May. We are going to share all the key tools, tech setups, and the trade setups which we have developed with our years of experience. Just you are going to get it for 5 pennies in this mentorship batch, and you are going to learn much into detail about that, with the help of which you can identify the profitable trades and trades. So yes, join this mentorship batch, else you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. We are trading as per the signals also, you can benefit. Write an email or ping me on Telegram in order to have all your clarifications, all your queries getting answered. You can write an email or ping me on Telegram. Both the contact details are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now coming to the daily chart, see what has happened on the daily charts. Opening flat, we have seen it dropping sharp. Earlier in the day, we have seen that it is trading outside Bollinger Bands. Now there is one point that this could be a reversal candle as well. This could try to stay within the zone like this, and from the next trading session or next week, we can see Nasdaq 100 reversing here. This is one probability we should not miss. And the second thing is, if it rises beyond 17,400, here itself we can see the swings here. It can try to move towards the lower highs towards 17,550 and close the day at around 17,400, 350 zone, closing the day at a doji. So this is also one of the probabilities. MACD divergent, stochastic and RSI both are at. Now considering this, I will recommend you to buy Nasdaq 100 at 17,380 and sell at 17,280. For this 100 points, do not trade. If you are buying at 17,380, be careful at around 17,410, 15 levels, and then 17,445, 50 levels. Once it breaks beyond 17,450, you can see accelerated bullishness will be seen. We may see 17,500 and 538 levels as well. On the downside, I will recommend a sell at 17,280. Now see, if it breaks beyond 17,538 on the upside, more bullishness can prevail, chances for which appears to be less, but these are markets. On the down, if you see Tech 100 dropping below 280 you can take a sell entry. It has to break below 17 240 and 200 levels. Once these two levels are taken, you can consider that Nasdaq 100 has turned bearish, else it is still not bearish. Below 17,200 is where major fall will be observed. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. Now if you look at US30, see the drop started from here. Drop was sharp. The retracement is gradual. It has almost approached this. Now it has to break beyond 37,800 and 37,850 levels in order to confirm a reversal. As long as it is not breached, we should not be treating US30 as bullish. On the downside, now 37,600 is formed a very strong base, and if it draws below 37,600 is where the bears are waiting. Let's see if it can. MACD crossing over here for buys and RSI stochastic both rising. Coming to on the 2-hour chart, see the prices were divergent from the moving average. It is converged towards the moving average. It is seeing a resistance here. Now it is very important for US30 to break this zone here at 37,800, 37,850 and 37,880. If these three levels are taken, then only we are treating US30 as bullish, else a reversal can also be expected. And if you see it staying below 37,660, you can take a sell entry for 37,600. MACD trying to converge, stochastic and RSI both rising. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation, but look, see here also 20 period moving averages are giving it a resistance. But look at the preceding candle, that is important. It is like a hammer, and if the price is crosses below 37,600, then we can say this is a reversal sign and we are looking forward to a sharper fall. The rise was just to achieve the 20 period moving average. MACD crossing over here for buys, RSI and stochastic both rising. Coming to 4-hour, on the 4-hour charts, still there is a probability for it to hit the 37,800, 850 zone. MACD here is rising, stochastic and RSI both rising. Coming to daily chart. Now on the daily charts, look at the preceding few candles. Consolidation was seen here, lower highs, lower lows, higher highs and higher lows were seen in the preceding candle, and today's candle has continued on the downside. Now see, it has to break beyond 37,800, which is going to be a major hurdle for US30, and in fact 37,850, and include 37,880 as well. So three resistances it needs to break, and if it does stay below on these three, you can say US30 has reversed and we will look forward to 38,000 levels. Now see, 37,800 probability is there, but beyond that it is going to be difficult for US30. We can see it, see first bearish candle consolidation and a breakout, does it has a stronger probability for further drop from here. MACD bearish, stochastic and RSI both are at bottom. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy only and only if US30 is staying beyond 37,760, you can initiate a buy, but 37,800, 850 are the two resistances, then 37,880. If these three are taken, stay bullish in US30, stronger rise will be seen here. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 37,600, below which you can look forward to 37,570, 37,520. Very good support here in between 37,520 and 480 exist. And if US30 drops below 37,520, 480 levels, consider that a sharper drop is waiting here, where we are going to look forward to 37,400, 37,200 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Do watch the weekly review tomorrow. Do not miss it. Join the membership badge and join the Signals channel here. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day and a happy weekend.